Today we're going to be fitting a Baridi tabletop dishwasher. So for places like this, which is a small one bed flat where you haven't really got cupboard space and you haven't really got anywhere to fit a proper full size dishwasher, companies make these small ones. So we're going to fit this today on top of the counter, tabletop dishwasher, and hopefully it's going to go well. Let's open it. Not sure what that's for, but we'll keep it. It's actually heavier than I was expecting. Excellent. So I've opened it up with the back because I didn't mean to do that, but there you go, there's the back of it. And it will have your water connections on the bottom of it. So this is your drain, and that there, I think it'll be that one, should be your feed, and there's your plug. That's all it comes with. It's somehow got water in it already, interesting. But yeah, so I'm assuming I can just, oh I can, there we go, and there's inside your dishwasher. So it has, at the top of it, you have like your cutlery tray, and these are obviously attachments, so I'm going to have to read what they do. Let's have a look at this. It must be for your water feed, and that's be your water feed pipe. Yeah, that's the water feed pipe. Strangely wet, which is weird. And this is your instructions, which we're not going to read any of. And yeah, so you've got all your plates and stuff in the drawer there. This is where you can put your cutlery, and that lifts up as well. Those are two bits that lift up, and that there's obviously what cleans the bottom. Oh no, it's got zip ties on, so remember, if you do switch it on and you haven't removed these little bits here, it's not going to spin round. So yeah, just remove those bits. There'll be probably one on the bottom as well, maybe. Oh, maybe not, no, bottom's okay. That's your water spin on the bottom. Right, so let's look at how we're going to fit this.
We've started fitting the plumbing under the sink, and you'll need a T-piece, preferably one that you can turn the tap on and off so that you can isolate it there. So that's fitted on the cold water supply, and then we've fitted a hole as well, which will take the hoses through, the inlet hose and the drain hose through to where we need it. Let's have a look up top. Part 2, under the sink, we've now got the drain hose that we've pulled through our holes, but we've also got the sink that's draining into here, and we've got a washing machine that's draining into here. So we've already got a junction out of the sink for the washing machine, and we're now going to add in a Y-piece like this, just 3-way, just a piece of plastic, and a small amount of tube that's going to push those together like so, and then we can connect each of the drain hoses directly onto the white piece like so, and give those a good clamp and a good zip tie. The more the better, you don't want anything leaking out. So let's go ahead and get it set up. There's the final setup. You can see we've got the Y piece fitted and fitted into the drainer from the sink, so that's everything plumbed in. Let's switch it on and have a go. That's everything plumbed in. We've taken out all the foam bits and made sure that everything's moving freely. Put a test tablet in, so we're going to test it out. Let's switch it on. Eco, sounds good to me. Don't need a delay on it. Not sure what these do. We'll work them out later. So we're away.
That's as loud as it is working. With the water going on, as you can hear, it's not that bad at all, is it?
Yeah.